The 2025 Caterpillar D11T is one of the most powerful and advanced bulldozers, designed for large-scale mining, construction, and earth-moving applications. It features an impressive combination of durability, cutting-edge technology, and operator comfort, making it a preferred choice for heavy-duty tasks. Exterior design: the Caterpillar D11T has a rugged and functional exterior built to withstand extreme working conditions. It features an elevated sprocket design, which enhances durability and increases ground clearance for better traction. The machine has a length of approximately 35.8 feet, a width of 10.4 feet without blade, and 22 feet with blade, and a height of around 14.9 feet. Its operating weight is about 248,500 pounds, 112,721 kilograms, making it one of the largest bulldozers in the world. The high-capacity semi-U and U blades are designed to move large volumes of material efficiently, while the multi-shank and single-shank rippers provide excellent penetration for breaking tough ground surfaces. Performance: the D11T is powered by a Caterpillar C32 Acert diesel engine, which produces approximately 850 horsepower, 634 kilowatts. This powerful engine is designed to handle the toughest workloads with high fuel efficiency. The bulldozer features an electronically controlled planetary power shift transmission, which allows smooth and precise shifting for enhanced performance. It also includes a torque converter with a stator clutch that improves power efficiency and reduces fuel consumption. The advanced fuel management system ensures lower emissions and optimal fuel economy. With an improved cooling system, the engine can operate at peak efficiency, even in extreme conditions. Interior: the operator's cabin is designed for maximum comfort and control. It features an ergonomically designed air suspension seat with multiple adjustment options. The intuitive joystick controls provide smooth handling, reducing operator fatigue. The cabin is well insulated to minimize noise and vibration, ensuring a comfortable work environment. It also includes a climate control system, a digital monitoring display, and enhanced visibility to improve operational efficiency. The advanced onboard diagnostics system provides real-time machine performance data, alerting the operator about potential issues before they become serious problems. Additional convenience features include USB charging ports, multiple storage compartments, and a hands-free communication system. Price: the price of a brand new 2025 Caterpillar D11T ranges between $2 million and $3 million, depending on the chosen specifications and additional features. The cost varies based on the type of blade, ripper options, and installed technology. Used models may be available at lower prices, but their cost depends on the year of manufacture, condition, and operating hours. Safety: Caterpillar has integrated multiple safety features to ensure operator protection and machine reliability. The 360-degree camera system enhances visibility, reducing blind spots. The rollover protection structure (ROPS) and falling object protection structure (FOPS) provide additional safety in hazardous work environments. The automated fire suppression system is designed to control potential fires in high-risk areas of the machine. The emergency shutdown controls ensure quick response in case of mechanical failure. A powered access ladder allows safe entry and exit from the machine, even in rough conditions. Overall, the 2025 Caterpillar D11T is a highly advanced and powerful bulldozer, built for the most demanding construction and mining applications. It combines raw power, intelligent technology, and operator comfort to maximize efficiency and performance. With its durable design, fuel-efficient engine, and advanced safety systems, the D11T remains a top choice for industries requiring heavy-duty earth-moving capabilities. For more updates on powerful machines like this, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting content.